The cool history of ice cream. Did you know the concept of ice cream dates back centuries? Evidence suggests frozen desserts were enjoyed in ancient China as early as 200 BC. These early treats were made from snow or ice mixed with fruit and honey. Over time, the idea spread. Roman emperors like Nero are said to have sent slaves to collect snow from the mountains to create chilled delicacies. These icy concoctions were a luxury reserved for the elite. The story takes a delicious turn in Italy. During the Renaissance, Italians perfected recipes for sorbetto, a close relative of modern-day sorbet. This marked a significant step towards the ice cream we know and love. Ice cream made its way to America in the 18th century. It quickly gained popularity, especially among the wealthy. By the 19th century, technological advancements made ice cream more accessible to the masses. Today, ice cream is a global phenomenon. From classic flavors to innovative creations, there's an ice cream for everyone. So next time you enjoy a scoop, remember its rich and fascinating history.